welcome back to the last product live stream for this month of June 2018. My name is Michelle and I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I'm here to help you use your N8 Essentials USDA certified organic essential oils. I'm just so happy to be able to offer you essential oils that give you peace of mind. And today is the last day for our summer bundle, and we are going to offer a little incentive at the end. So if you haven't purchased it, make sure you stay tuned, because I will be offering you a little added incentive to make sure that you don't leave the month of June without having this on order. Our summer bundle is eucalyptus, which is actually an uplifting mint and a fresh type aroma. We have lavender, which is everyone's favorite and a must-have. We also have geranium, which is the poor man's rose, must-have. Some people don't always like the aroma of geranium, but it blends really well and it's great for the respiratory system too. We also have our tried and true peppermint. So there will be all four of these in your summer bundle, and we have shown you all month how to use those, and today is no different. Today we're going to do a shower mist, and what's great about the shower mist is that it's actually good for so many other things. So I'm going to share with you other ways to use in this product live stream just a shower mist that we're making. So we're going to get started, and again, stay tuned for the end. If you're not already a customer, or even if you are of N8 Essentials and part of our community, there is a shop now button at the bottom. Go ahead and click that, and you can go in and just put the summer bundle in your pack. What's great is that you have not, if you're not already a customer and you're brand new to N8 Essentials, or if you have a friend that you want to share N8 Essentials with, this is the very last week that if you, for a one-time fee of $25, you can become a customer of N8 Essentials forever. You can get wholesale, and for spending $100, you will get a free diffuser. That is an unbelievable deal. So you could get your summer bundle, your preferred customer fee, and maybe just add one or two oils, or maybe today we're going to be working with the body wash, which is really, really a great product. And if you get that, you'll get just the summer bundle and even the organic body wash and maybe one other citrus oil. You'll be able to get this free diffuser. So I'm super excited for you to have that opportunity. Don't lose it, and let's get on to our shower mist. So a shower mist. Why are we doing a shower mist? Well, we're doing a shower mist because it is all the rage, eucalyptus, right now, to hang it in your shower, and that it just provides this real fresh, uplifting scent, and it boosts the body's natural immune system, and it's actually supportive for a respiratory health. But even on top of that, it's really great to kind of keep your shower smelling fresh and keeping a lot of unknown pathogens, at bay. So we're going to make this shower mist, and then I'm going to show you different ways to use it. So I'm using a 4-ounce bottle. Now this 4-ounce bottle can also be used for, you can double the recipe or triple the recipe if you want to use, here we go, a larger spray bottle like this. The reason I don't like to use a large spray bottle in the beginning is because what if you don't like the scent? So you can put your oils in a shot glass and pour the recipe into the shot glass, see if you like the smell before you put it in, and then you could just double the recipe and put it in here. The other thing I like is because I love oils, really like to change up my scents regularly, and also for the mood that I'm in. So I don't really like the really large bottles for the shower mist. So, and the other great thing is that if you get a smaller bottle, you can just keep it in your shower. So the first thing we're going to do, and this is what I love about this recipe, is that we're going to just use our spray bottle. We're going to use witch hazel, and I actually brought this to show you because I know that this is what it looks like in the store, but this is also in the store and it costs less, and it doesn't have like the aloe vera gel, but that doesn't matter. I just wanted to show that with you. It doesn't matter which witch hazel you use, and even if you don't have witch hazel, make this anyway, because if you're using a 4-ounce bottle, you won't have it for a super long time, so it's okay if you don't use the witch hazel. But today we're going to use this wonderful eucalyptus, and we are going to use our geranium, and we are going to use our peppermint. So all three will go into our wonderful shower mist. So the very first thing we're going to do is take a teaspoon, and I am going to use a funnel. I'm going to drop 1 teaspoon. Did you see that spill over? It fell down to the side. I'll use my handy dandy towel. So right off, 1 teaspoon of witch hazel, check. And then I'm going to just drop in my essential oils. It is really that simple. So we are going to use only 5 drops of geranium. Now, I really enjoy geranium. Just this last week, my son, unfortunately, was underneath a couple of dogs that were fighting, and he got a very deep scratch that we thought might need stitches from the top of his forehead down past his eye right here. So, of course, we used our oils, and geranium is in his essential oil with vitamin E because it is very good to help reduce scarring. It is very good for toning of the skin, and it is very good to support our aging faces. So if you don't have geranium already, you should really get that. And then we have our tried and true peppermint, which we're all fully aware opens airways by now. It's probably the one or second thing that people know about peppermint: opening airways, strengthening, making the mind feel fresh, and just opening up your energy, and like how much energy you have, you just feel more energetic. And then our eucalyptus, we're actually going to do 8 drops. Again, if you do a little bit extra or a little bit less, it's not going to be a big deal. It is going to be just fine, so be encouraged. And then we're just going to fill the rest up. Now you'll hear me say fill it up to the shoulder. And what that means is that we're going to fill it up to about right here. That is the shoulder of the bottle. And if you do it a little bit higher, that will be okay. But when you put your sprayer in, it will actually cause the water level to rise. So now we have made our easy shower mist spray, and we're going to shake it up. You can put it upside down and shake it, and make sure that you use it. And then let's spray it. Okay, now depending on how your sprayer goes, I'm going to show you how great this is. You can put this in your shower before your shower, and I like that. You can spray it all around. I just want to smell it, actually. Oh, this is really nice, and the geranium is great. You can spray it and walk into it. That is always a wonderful thing to do right before you walk out the door. A little bit of water droplets won't hurt you. But if you have a nice towel, you can use any type of, you can use a shower towel. If you're just feeling a little stuffy, or if you feel like you need a little bit of extra opening airway or energy, I just want you to soak that towel. You could even open up your spray bottle and, dump a little bit of it into there, and then you can just inhale it. You can actually put it around your neck when you take a shower, and just let that aromatic molecules of the eucalyptus and geranium flow in, and peppermint, and you will feel so much more awake. The other thing that you could do is you could actually soak the towel and spray it, and then you could set it in the corner of the shower before you get in and as you let the steam run, and those aromatic molecules will fill your shower. The other thing I like to do is after I take a shower, I have a squeegee that I clean my shower with, and then I spray this afterward, just because I feel like, one, it helps the shower stay smelling fresh, and these are just really great ways to use this. I did want to share with you one more thing. This eucalyptus is really great in the shower, and you can use it in your body wash. You can use the same exact blend, geranium, eucalyptus, and peppermint, and you can put it in a 2-ounce squeezable container and just drop that in there. And you can even put, if I were you, I would probably stick to, we're going to do 3 drops each, all right, and put that in there, shake it around, and you have yourself a nice little shower scrub. So not only will it invigorate, refresh, and help you just keep well, but you're going to smell great and feel great too. So again, use the shower mist. Use everything in any way. It's what I love best about oils. I mean, there's just so many. You buy a bottle of Tylenol, it's one use. But when you buy essential oils, there are so many different things that you can do with it. So many ways that you can use peppermint and geranium and eucalyptus. So I just want to encourage you to tune in every week when you have 15 minutes and just watch, because as you grow your knowledge of essential oils, you will find that you save money and spend less and less every month on going out and purchasing lotions and shampoos and cleaning supplies. It's just such a great thing. So I told you that I was going to give you a special code today. If you buy our bundle, all right, it has to be in, I think, before June 30th. That's when this special will be over. We are going to include for you this 2-ounce bottle so that you can make your body wash. So you can get your summer bundle, which is eucalyptus, geranium, lavender, and peppermint all together, which has a retail cost of $90 and a wholesale cost for our community that you're already paying at wholesale, which is over $70. But we're going to give this summer bundle to you for $56.70. And on top of that today, if you put in the code PL26, you will get a free 2-ounce container that then you can make your own shower gel. Or I think we use these for the bug spray too. Again, I would highly consider you to use our body wash with this summer bundle. Do not let the summer bundle pass you up, okay? Thank you so much. We'd love to hear your feedback on if you liked the blend. And if you have any questions, you may email them to askthearomatherapist@n8essentials.com. We hope you have a great day, and we're looking forward to coming to you next week in July for our Freedom Bundle. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Again, that code is PL26. All right? Thank you. Bye-bye.